How to manage explore location on Twitter. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage explore location on Twitter. First go to Twitter and then go here and go down and then click this one, settings and privacy, and now click here this one, privacy and safety, and then click this one, content you see, click on it, and now click this one, explore settings, and then turn this one off. And as you see now, you can edit explore location to any country you want. And that's today's video. If you like it, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.